morning, dear friends. I, Professor Basuraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. This is module number 1, video number 4. Topic is components of marketing information system. Marketing information system has 4 main components. These components are number 1, internal records. Number 2, marketing intelligence. Number 3, marketing research. And number 4, marketing decision support system. A 5 marks question may come saying explain components of marketing information system. Let us see these components of marketing information system in a detailed view. The first component of marketing information system is internal records. Marketing managers get lots of information from the internal records of the company. These records provide current information about sales, the cost, inventories, cash flow, accounts receivable, accounts payable. Many companies maintain their computerized detailed records inside records, which help marketing managers to gain faster access to reliable information. This information, internal information, is essential for decision making at various levels because, say, when we know how many inventories we have, how many sales we have achieved, what is the cost of production, etc., all this information helps us in fixing the price of the product. And of course, price is the most important factor in marketing because based upon the price, many times the buying decision happens. So, the internal records will help the manager to take various decisions at various levels. And these internal records are more trustable, more worthy because they are prepared by themselves and with a true figures and information what they have in the organization is reflected in the records. And these records many a times will be computerized records of the company and this records helps the marketing managers to gain faster access to the reliable information. And thus this information is very helpful in decision making. The second component of marketing information system is about marketing intelligence. It collects information from external sources. It provides information about, say, current marketing environment and the challenging conditions in the market. This information can be, say, easily gathered from external sources like magazines, trade journals, commercial press, and so on. This information, say, cannot be collected from the annual reports of the trade association and chamber of commerce, annual report of the companies, etc. The salesman's report also contain information about the market trends. The information which is collected from the external sources cannot be used directly. It must be first evaluated and arranged in a proper order. It can be then used by the marketing manager for taking decisions and making policies about marketing. Because this information is, say, not prepared as per the requirement. It may be a raw information and this raw information need to be sorted, collected, separated and used after that. So, marketing intelligence is also an important component of marketing information system. This marketing information system many times depended on external information also because we need to know what our competitors are doing, what other companies are doing, what is the new recent trend in the market, or what is the pricing strategy of the competitor, what is the package and designing of the competitors. So after that we can take decision about our pricing policy, our packing method, our say quantity packing method, etc, etc. So these informations which are say gathered through marketing intelligence is very much important. Many times these informations uh, we collect through journals, commercial press, etc, etc, or say this information is collected through some, or some agencies also help us in getting these information. But this information what we have collected, we cannot use it directly. First it need to be sorted, analyzed, arranged in a chronological order or in a proper way, so that it will be helpful for us in making the decisions. Then the third important component of marketing information system is marketing research. Marketing research is conducted to solve specific marketing problems of the company. It collects data about the problem. This data is tabulated, analyzed, and conclusions are drawn. Then what happens is the recommendations are given by the for the solving of the problem based upon the data available. Then marketing research also provides information to the marketing managers in these regards. However, this information is specific information. It can be used only for particular purpose. Here, marketing information system and marketing research are not substitutes of each other. The scope of marketing information system is very wide. It includes marketing research in it. However, the scope of market research or marketing research is very narrow. So, the aspect of marketing research is very wide, and the information here gathered or collected is for a specific problem itself. It cannot be used for other things as well. So here this information what we have gathered or we have got through marketing research is related to a specific problem itself. It cannot be say implemented directly to each and every scenario, because it is a specific information prepared for a specific problem. Then fourth, last and fourth important component of marketing research or marketing information system is marketing decision support system. These are the marketing managers to analyze data and to take better marketing decisions. This includes hardware, that is computer and software programs. Computer helps the marketing manager to analyze the marketing information. It also helps them to take better decision. In fact, today's if you see the today's scenario, marketing managers cannot work without computers. There are many software programs which help the marketing managers to do marketing segmentation, pricing, fixing, advertisement, budgeting, etc, etc. And these softwares or programs help the marketing manager to take decisions at various scenarios like segmentation, pricing, price fixing, advertisement, budgeting of the advertisement, etc, etc. So these four components are very important, or these are the main components of say marketing information system. Marketing information system is a very wide area, and in that wide area these four components or four things are being added, or they are existing in that. That is number 1, internal records; number 2, marketing intelligence; number 3, marketing research; and number 4, marketing decision support system. So in this class we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Till then, good day. Thank you.